Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Ads tips and tricks. And to this video, I will show you how to link or connect your Google Ad account with your Shopify store. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Ad account, and then you want to make sure you navigate to right here. So click on Tools, then go ahead and make sure you click on Data Manager, and then here you go. Go ahead and click on Connect Products, and then it's going to load up all available products right here. So scroll down right here and go ahead and make sure you navigate to Shopify. So you can do direct connection. To link the data source, you will need to log into it, authorize the account to share the data with Google. You can manage the connection at any time in connection. But that is for direct connection. Spotify audience. Select the option to use the integration covered by the connected product. You will need to authorize the product to access your Google Ad data and finish setting up with the integration in the partner site, that is in your Spotify store. So for the third party right here, third party integration by here. Everything depends on the options you want to use right here to get your data. As far as Spotify store data is concerned, so you can easily choose any of the options right there and go ahead and then choose authorize. Right, choose direct connection right there. I click on authorize, and then it's going to open page right here. Sign into Spotify. Enter the Spotify.com domain name of the shop you want to connect. Even if you use a custom domain for your shop, you can find your domain name in your Spotify admin URL. So that is how you can get your Spotify. Go ahead and paste your Spotify URL name right here and hit on continue. And with that, you will be automatically signed to your Spotify store, and the data will be connected between Google Ads and your Spotify store. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.